Are you preparing for the NISM Series VIII Equity Derivatives exam and struggling with numerical questions? In this video, I'll give you a clear step-by-step strategy, along with exactly what you need to focus on in each step. Numerical questions are highly scoring. If you prepare them smartly, they can become your strongest section. So, let's get started. Step 1. Understand the core concepts before solving numerical. You must build strong conceptual clarity. Important topics to focus: futures pricing, options basics, intrinsic value and time value, margin concepts, risk and returns. Step 2. Master important formulas. To solve numerical questions quickly, you must remember some key formulas: futures pricing, break-even, taxation rules, profit and loss terms, intrinsic value. Step 3. Follow a structured approach. Always use a structured method while solving. Focus while solving. Read the question carefully. Check whether it's call or put. Apply the correct formula. Solve step by step, carefully. Step 4. Revise formulas regularly. Make a short formula sheet and revise daily. They are scoring if you focus on important topics, follow a step-by-step approach, practice regularly, revise formulas. Step 5. Improve speed and accuracy in the exam. Time management is crucial. Important strategy: solve direct formula-based questions first. Skip confusing questions initially. Avoid calculation mistakes. Focus on accuracy over attempts. Following this approach reduces mistakes in the exam. Step 6. Take mock tests and numerical. Mock tests help you apply everything in a real exam scenario. Focus on: give full-length mock tests. Note down wrong questions. Identify weak areas. Revise them immediately. If you focus on the right formulas, practice the right questions, and follow a structured approach, you can easily score high in this section and clear the NISM Series VIII exam in your first attempt. If you are looking for the latest, updated mock tests at an affordable price, along with short notes and video lectures, you can visit our website, www.nismexams.en. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more NISM exam preparation.